got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need.
Hi guys, it's Yaya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to partner with ETHERVA to bring you a brand new uber soft hair and body butter. ETHERVA is a company that ethically sources pure and natural bulk skincare ingredients all the way from India. These bulk ingredients are sustainably packaged for small to medium businesses and for DIY creators just like myself. So first, let's get started using the unrefined raw tamanu oil from ETHERVA. This tamanu oil has been cold pressed and minimally processed in order to retain its virgin and nourishing properties. For this recipe, I'm using 66 grams of tamanu oil. This tamanu oil has not been neutralized, bleached, or deodorized, showcasing its beautiful viscosity, nutty aroma, and dark green color. As you can see, since our tamanu oil is in this natural state, there are some solid pieces, and that is perfectly natural. We're just going to create a water bath in order to re-liquefy our oil. To create a water bath, all you need is to add hot water to a bowl. Then you want to place your beaker with your tamanu oil into the hot water and let it liquefy. This only takes a few seconds to a minute to liquefy depending on how much you need. Once it has liquefied, you can see the beautiful clarity of this tamanu oil. I'm going to measure out 66 grams of the tamanu oil to be used in my Forever Soft Tamanu hair and body butter. I'm going to place that to the side while I work on my base. The moisturizing base for this butter is an aloe butter. For your moisturizing base, you want a very simple, soft butter. I'm using aloe butter because it is odorless and is probably one of the softest butters I've ever used. So I'm going to quickly melt down 130 grams of aloe butter to use as my moisturizing base. I believe using this simple, soft base will help enhance the beautiful characteristics of the tamanu oil. Once it has slightly cooled, I'm going to add in my liquefied tamanu oil and mix it in until uniform. Now I'm going to pour my butter mixture into a room temperature container. Then you could place it into the freezer to re-solidify for about 10 minutes. As you can see here, it is completely uniform, silky, and smooth. And all we have to do now is whip it up.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need?
After whipping for about 5 minutes, this is how beautiful the butter is looking. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now we can go ahead and add in our fragrance and vitamin E. I'm adding 2 grams of vanilla essential oil to complement the nutty aroma of the tamanu oil, but you can use whatever fragrance you prefer. Next, I'm going to add in my vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that will help prevent my oils and butters from going rancid. I highly recommend adding vitamin E to all of your creations that have oils and butters. Now we're going to whip this up again to make sure everything is evenly distributed and uniform.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn.
Look how beautiful this body butter is. It is absolutely gorgeous, silky smooth. This is probably the closest to a lotion-like whipped body butter that I've ever created. And guys, it is not greasy at all. It absorbs super quickly into the skin, leaving it soft and supple. I want to thank ETHERVA once again for sponsoring this video and for being so patient with me. I have been literally using their ingredients for over a year now, and I couldn't wait to share my findings with you guys. I really love this oil and the other ingredients that I have tried thus far, and I definitely want you guys to try them as well. So I have partnered with ETHERVA to give 3 of my lucky subscribers one of these 20-ounce unrefined raw tamanu oils for you to try for yourself and to use in your own DIY creation. So definitely make sure you check the description box down below. Make sure you read everything carefully before entering to avoid scams. And yeah, I will definitely have all the information down below for the giveaway, and I'm excited for you guys to give this tamanu oil a try. I really am. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the videos that are coming up. Make sure you check out ETHERVA. Down below are all the links. Plus, they're giving away a 20% off discount for you to try out their ingredients. So definitely check that out as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.